Hi there, you're welcome to Chris Graphix tutorial. So I'm going to show you how you can share your design as PLP file. Alright, so how do I do that? How do I sell templates? Give out templates and then others can edit them. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to go to my projects, and then I'll check. I have a couple of projects here on this particular device. So I'll just open one, and this is the one I'll give as a bonus for this tutorial. Let me just give out this one as a bonus. Now that this file is open, I want to now save this file as PLP. Alright, so there's no big deal about that. I'll show you how to save it as PLP and how to open it as PLP, how to save it and maybe load it in your Google Drive or send to someone on WhatsApp, and the person can download it and open it in here in Pixellab. So I'm going to use two devices for that. So I will save it as PLP here on this device, and then on my other device, I don't have this design on the other device. I'll go there, download it from the other device, and then you are going to see, I'll open it there and you will see that it will really open. So now what I'm going to do is I will just come here, and on this particular file here I will click on share. So when I click on share, you are going to see something will happen below here. Now, as I clicked on share, now it's telling me that this is saved as PLP already. Alright, so I don't need to do any other thing. So I'll just go to my file. I'll go to my files. I'll just go to my files and then locate the folder. Alright, so once my file is open, I'm going to come here, come to my file here, and then my Pixellab folder is here. So I'll open Pixellab folder, and then you are going to check. So I'm going to sort it. Alright, so let's sort it by type. Okay, let's sort it by type A to Z. So once we sort by type, you can see the PLP, this bin file, this is a PLP file. This one over here is a PLP file. So that was a PLP file. If you check the name, happy birthday Segun. Let me bring it back so you will see. Look at it here, happy birthday Segun. That is the file name. You can see that it's saved here. So I'm going to let me put all my data. So I will save it. I will share. I will kind of like save this to my Google Drive. So I will download it with the other device from Google Drive. All right. So or you could share it with Xender. You could share it with Bluetooth. You know, whichever sharing method you want to use. All right. So because this is just a file. This is a file. You can see .plp. So I've put all my data on the other device. Let me connect here. Then I'm going to share it to my Google Drive. Then I will download it from my Google Drive on the other device and open it so you will see how it will work. Alright, so now my data is on, so I'm going to click on share. So it's asking me where do I want to share this file to. So I'm going to share it to Drive. So I'll share it to my Drive. And once that is done, this is my Drive. Let me change it to another account. Or I can even leave this account. Let me change the folder. I'll choose my PLP files. I have some PLP files here already, so I'll just save it in there to my PLP files. Don't forget the name, happy birthday Segun. So when I open the other device to download it, you are going to see it. Alright, so it's preparing to upload, and we are going to see if it uploads. Immediately it uploads, I'll go to the other device and download it from there. Then I will open it with the other device as well. So I'm going to attach this PLP file for you to practice with. So just make sure anywhere you're downloading it from, that's where you're going to open it from. That's from the other device. So alright, the file has uploaded. So now let's move to the second device so that we can open it from there. You're welcome. Here am I on my second device. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to my drive and I'm going to open, I'm going to open that PLP file. So let's open this. Okay, so I'll switch to that account. So where I kept it was, I told you I had a folder for PLP. Where is it? PLP files. So don't forget Happy Birthday Segun. That was what we loaded in, right? So I'm going to open that. I have a couple of PLP files here. Happy Birthday Segun. This is it right here. All right. So I'm going to click the three dots. The three dots here. That's the menu. And then you see download here. So I'm going to click download. So it's downloading. Okay. It's downloading. Let me see. Alright, it has downloaded. So now what I'm going to do now that it has downloaded, let me go to my files and check where it is supposed to be in my downloads actually. So I'll go to my downloads and you are going to see, if I sort it by the date, you are going to see it. Can you see it's here, right? It's right here, 9 megabytes. Alright, so I'll open Pixellab here. Open Pixellab. Now this is going to work with Pixellab Premium. This is my certificate for my bootcamp. So what I'm going to do right now is just click the three dots here, this menu here, and then click open PLP file. Look at it. So click it. So once that is clicked, now these PLP files are not what I want to open. So if you click project, you're going to see this as well. So I'm going to click .plp here. So it's taking me to my downloads. All right, so the only PLP file in my download is what has been sorted here, Happy Birthday Segun. Remember, it's not here on this file. I don't know whether I'll confirm that so that you will see. Let me go back. Now let me come to my project. There's no Happy Birthday Segun here. Okay, you can see. All right, there's no Happy Birthday Segun here. So this is my second device actually. All right, so I'll click PLP again. Now I'll click this one, then I'll open and add it. So if you open alone, that means you can open and edit and then export here. If you open and add, it will add to your project even after you have finished everything. You can save changes if you're done. All right, so let me open and add. So I'll click OK. Can you see? This was the exact design in the other device that we sent to our drive, and I'm able to now download it here. So I'm going to give this for free on this channel. I'm going to give, just check the description of the video and request for it. I'm going to give you this particular design for free so that you can try it out. You can download it, all right, from drive. I'm going to load it in the drive for you. You can download it and also open in your own Pixellab, but make sure you have Pixellab, this particular version that I'm using. If you don't have it, you can check the description as well. There are video series that I have created on how you can get this installed, and once you make a request for it, I'm going to give it to you immediately I see the message. All right, so thank you for watching, and check the description of the video to get access to this particular design. Now you can see everything is editable here. Can you see it? Everything is editable. Can you see? Everything is editable right here. So that's that for this. All right, so thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Another video is loading tomorrow, so subscribe to the channel, share this video to other people, and recommend this channel to more people so they can benefit from what you're benefiting. And then try to follow our series on the business of graphic design, and I believe you are going to shift to another level. Alright, thank you for watching once again. Bye for now.